Hey guys, in this video we'll be comparing backend, frontend and full stack. Well, let's start off with what is front-end development. The main purpose is to give the user a display of a page, and this display will have all the distinguishing designs and styling, which is great for the people who want to focus their creativity in it. The user interface is one of the most important part of it. It makes it unique than any other website. Front-end developers should also add interactivity, and what this means is the tiny effects which makes the web slightly less dull. This interactivity can be achieved with JavaScript. Front end is the styling, but what is back end? Well, this is the logic of the web. Without this, the web wouldn't be considered an app but a design. What server-side means is that you have a framework such as Django or Node.js which allow you to create databases and create each user's experience uniquely. Well, what are databases used for? They are used for many things such as storing a user's account, which includes fields such as names, age, or even whether the account is premium depending on the web. What backend developers also do is to ensure security to the web, so no malicious users, for example, steal credit card details. Some of you may also be asking what is full stack. This is a developer which achieves both the front and back end development. But you may be asking, why do people do full stack development, or full stack is too hard? I'll just stick with either front end or back end. Well, the great thing with full stack, especially for beginners, is that you only need to know the basics and slight advance for each side. Full stack is also more in demand for freelance, as large companies such as Google or Facebook would rather hire people who fully specialize in either front or back end. If you're planning to do front end, well, what skills do you need to know? The three building blocks of every website is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which I recommend learning first. HTML and CSS are extremely easy to learn, as they are what we call markup languages, but JavaScript will be a bit more challenging, as this is a full-on programming language. You also don't want to learn vanilla JavaScript by itself, as using front-end frameworks will drastically make design quicker. But front-end knowledge for back-end isn't crucial, but it's handy when working with teams of back-end developers. Back-end development deals with less design and more logic. Languages such as PHP, Python, and even JavaScript can be used to create these logic, but for each language it's crucial to research which web frameworks fits your development. Learning these frameworks gives ease and faster development speed, as some frameworks come with packages and flexibility. Also, databases are crucial for every backend, as this creates a unique display for every user's interface. For example, YouTube uses data of what types of videos you watch and suggests similar types of videos. Deployment is also important to learn and can put some people off, as you will need to pay for domains, but there are some free options such as Heroku. There are many other there are many other aspects such as Git, but that's outside the scope of this video. For full stack, they have to learn the basics and slight advance such as frameworks as the bare minimum. They also have to understand how the web is structured and basics APIs, just like a front or back end developer would too. What do developers work on? Backend use server-side logic. For example, if you have a blog app, you will also want to edit or delete posts that you created and only let other people view your posts. Also, automation is handy to know, as most login forms have a forget password link which sends an email to the user. The understanding of data storage is needed from back-end programmers and also know how to make your client's web secure. Front-end also will have to work on forms, but the requests and designs of it. A nice design, a nice eye of design is good too, with some useful interactivity. Full stack will also have to learn everything. Well, backend won't work on what frontend will work on, and vice versa. But for full stack, there is no need to learn anything complex unless you're planning to do so down the line. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you comment down below if there's any question you may want to ask or if there's anything you disagree with. See you in the next video.